Let's have a look at how to make a copy of a working papers file. It's important to always copy files from within working papers, rather than from Windows Explorer. Otherwise, you risk corrupting the file. Open a new session of working papers. In the File menu, click Copy Components. In the wizard, select the method that best describes how you want to copy the file. For this example, we'll copy into a new working papers file. Enter a name for the new file, and choose a location to save it, then click Next. Browse for the source of the file that you want to copy. For new client files, it's a good practice to copy the sample file provided with working papers, rather than starting from scratch. On the Copy Components screen, you can choose specific components to copy into the new file. In this case, we'll copy all components. Click Next. Select which components you want to clear in the new file, then click Next. And click Finish to proceed. All components from the previous file are copied into the new one. You can open the new file to start working on it. Thanks for watching.